Hello friends, this is an English test for those students who had joined the basic English course. The whole test is divided into 5 topics. 10 questions each will be on. The first topic will be choose the correct spelling. Then the second will be on choose the correct antonyms. Then 10 questions again will be on choose the correct WH question. Then choose the correct homophone, and the last one will be convert into the tense mentioned. So let us start the test. The first topic is the correct spellings. The first question is, my mom prefers black. You have to tell the correct spelling of coffee from option 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which one is correct? Now the second one is, dash is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of invention. What is the spelling of necessity? From all the 4 options you have to choose and write the correct answer. Then next is, you should be proud of your achievement. What is the spelling of achievement? From 1, 2, 3 and 4 options. Then the fourth question, I find mathematics dash to understand. I find mathematics difficult to understand. What is the spelling of difficult over here? Then fifth question, the children of this class are very intelligent. What is the spelling of intelligent from the 4 options given? Which one is correct? Then sixth one, this is none of your business. Correct spelling of business you have to choose from the 4 options. Then the 7th statement is, the fans cheered their team. What is the correct spelling of cheered? Next is the 8th one, I have a suggestion to make. You have to choose the correct spelling of suggestion from the 4 options given. Then the next one, the enemy blew the bridge up. Choose the correct spelling of blew over here. Which blew will come over here? Mike is going abroad to study. You have to choose the correct spelling of abroad. Now let us move on to the second part of the test, that is choose the correct antonyms. The first question in this is, why do you wet your hair? You have to choose the antonym from the 4 options which are given of the word wet. Either it is soak, then wash, dry or heat. आपको इसका opposite ढूंढना है. Next question, can I offer you something to drink? Now what is the antonym or the opposite of offer? First is buy, second option is refuse, third is lend and fourth is bring. Next question, be our guest, said the king to the visitor. What is the antonym of the word guest? Friend, host, companion or enemy? Choose the correct one. Now the fourth one is, the beggar blessed the kind prince. What is the antonym of the word blessed? Impressed, praised, cursed or hated? Then fifth sentence, the tabletop has a smooth surface. Which one is the antonym for the word smooth? Level, rough, strong, tough. Then sixth sentence is, she is a clever little girl who learns very quickly. You have to choose the antonym for the word clever. Bright, sensitive, stupid, smart. Then seventh is, do you think bungee jumping is safe? What is the antonym for the word safe? Difficult, risky, popular, impossible. Eighth sentence, the accused did not admit his crime. Write the antonym for the word admit. Accept, confirm, question or deny. Then the ninth one is, I will never fail to speak the truth. Write the antonym for the word never. Sometimes, mostly, seldom or always. Then in this category the last sentence is, those berries have a very bitter taste. choose the correct option, that is the antonym for the word bitter. Sharp, sweet, sour or spicy. Now let us move on to the third category of questions. Now the third category of questions are, you have to choose the correct WH question out of these. The first question is, dash were you absent yesterday? Is it why were you absent yesterday, or where were you absent yesterday? Then third option is, which were you absent yesterday, or who were you absent yesterday? You have to choose the correct WH question from this. Then the next question is, dash will you come to my house? Why, where, when and how? Which option is correct out of these four? Next is, dash are you going? Which, where, when or how? Then the fourth question is, dash are you so tired today? Why? Then where? Third option is which, and the fourth option is how. You have to choose which is the best suited over here. Then comes the fifth one, dash shall I meet you? Why? Why shall I meet you? Where shall I meet you? When shall I meet you? Who shall I meet you? Which is the correct option out of these? Then the sixth one, dash can we go shopping? Why, where, when and how? Seventh one, dash is that man? Why is that man? Where is that man? What is that man? Who is that man? You have to choose the best option out of these four. Then the eighth question, dash met him. Why, which, what, who? Which one will be the best suited option? Then the ninth one, dash is your name. Why, which, what or who? And the last question in this category, dash book do you want? Why book do you want? Which book do you want? What book do you want? Who book do you want? Which is the best suited option out of these four? Now let us move on to the next category of questions, that is, you have to choose the correct option of homophones. We know that homophones are those words which sound similar but their meanings are different, even the spellings are different. So let us start. The first question is, have you checked your mail? Which mail will be correct? MAIL or MALE? You have to choose out of these two which will be the correct option. Then the next question, can you spot a dash there? Which deer? DEER or DEAR? Now next one, the lion caught the mouse with its paws. Which paws? PAWS or PAUSE? Next is, the king was sitting on his throne. THRONE or THROWN? Next one, do not dash food. WASTE or WAIST? Next sentence, I like the scent of flowers. SCENT scent or SCENT scent? Seventh one, my friends were ashamed of dash behavior. Their behavior. THERE or THEIR? Eighth statement, the Sahara is the world's largest desert. DESCERT or DESSERT? The ninth one, the child wiped his nose with a handkerchief. NOSE or KNOWS? And the last sentence in this category is, the children could not go outside because of bad weather. WHETHER, weather, or WEATHER? 10th statement, the Sahara is the world's largest desert. DESCERT or DESSERT? 9th one, the child wiped his nose with a handkerchief. NOSE or KNOWS? And the last sentence in this category is, the children could not go outside because of bad weather. WHETHER, or WEATHER? Now let us move on to the last category of questions, that is based on tenses. You have to complete the sentence according to the tenses which are given. The first statement is she dash, and in the bracket do is written. Do is the verb which you have to put according to the tense which is given. So she dash her homework daily. आपको ये sentence simple present tense में convert करना है. Now next sentence is she dash, that is drink water. इसको past continuous tense में लिखना है. Next statement, the sun dash, and in the bracket shine, verb is shine, brightly in summer. You have to write this sentence in simple present tense. Next is the boys dash a noise. You have to convert make so that the sentence is in simple future tense. Then fifth is they dash, in the bracket the verb is love flowers. आपको ये sentence simple past tense में convert करना है. Then comes the sixth sentence, she dash, verb आपने use करना है read a story book. Past continuous tense में sentence लिखेंगे. Then seventh one, tomorrow morning we dash, and the verb over here which you'll use is work. और future continuous tense में ये sentence लिखेंगे. Eighth one, he dash, that is past verb है यहाँ पर, his first test. Present perfect tense में आपने ये sentence लिखना है. Next is ninth one, we dash, and the verb is drink water. Past perfect tense में ये sentence लिखेंगे. And the last sentence of this test is they dash, and the verb over here is read. और आपको future continuous tense में ये sentence को लिखना है. So friends, that was it. और ये थे सारे 50 questions. And also do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.